Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Connect Waze in Everand application. So how to turn off Connect Waze in Everand application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Everand app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Everand app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the audio player settings menu. Tap Connect Waze. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off Connect Waze in Everand application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.